Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss about iOS 17. So Apple has announced iOS 17. Now if you want to download iOS 17 beta profile, then I will tell you how you're gonna do that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to do some necessary settings. For example, you have to turn on your updates, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply close the settings and you have to simply open the Safari here. And after opening the Safari, what you have to do next is you have to simply search for betaprofiles.dev, and here you can see that there are iOS 17 available because at WWDC 23 Apple has announced many things which includes iOS 17. So if you want to download and install iOS 17 beta profiles, then how you gonna do that? So what you have to do, you have to simply click on how to install. So you have to click on that. After that you have to scroll down and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of option or available. And here you can see that the first method is you have to use iOS 17 beta profile. But first of all you have to uninstall your old profile, and after that you have to go to betaprofile.dev and download iOS 16.6, and after that you have to install new profile and restart. And after that what you have to do, disable your automatic updates and you have to wait for 2 minutes. And after that you have to check whether it is showing iOS 17 available or not. If it's not available, you have to turn it to auto turn back public beta. After that you have to select method 2 if it not work. So you have to uh, log into your developer ID in Apple developer, and after that you can simply get iOS 17 beta profile. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.